Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I know that we have not made a video on this channel in quite a while. The reason for that is down to a few things. The main thing, as you can see on your screen, is TradeHappy 2.0. So as you're aware, I went away for a few weeks in July, I believe, and had some time to think about what TradeHappy is, what the original goal of TradeHappy was, and where it can go in the future. And I think we were getting away from that a little bit. I think we were moving too fast. I think things were changing too fast. And I kind of want to ground it a little bit and bring it back to that original goal with some changes. Those changes are not implemented just yet. We're still working on that. But I wanted to make a video just to keep you guys in the loop and keep you guys up to date with what's going on behind the scenes. I will hopefully continue to be uploading YouTube videos. But yeah, my time is now a little bit busier than it was before. So I don't know whether it's going to be 3 videos a week. It might just be 1 video a week to begin with. But there are going to be videos coming up very, very soon. And yeah, I hope that you guys are still excited to see what TradeHappy brings. And if there's anything that you guys want implementing, let me know down in the comments below. We're always kind of open to ideas, and if you guys want something doing, then we're going to do it. We've proven that before. We are definitely open to ideas. So yeah, there's big plans coming up. I'm hoping that you guys are excited as we are. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. Have an amazing day. I hope that your trading's going well. Let me know if you've had any big wins in the comments down below. And remember, traders, trade happy.